Hey everyone, it's Kevin from Strama AI. In today's video, we wanted to take a look at what do you do after you've created your first sequence with Strama. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So let's assume again that you've gone through our onboarding process. Maybe you've taken your prospect, Julie. You've gone ahead and created a sequence for Julie. You added your LinkedIn profile, her LinkedIn profile, and by doing so, we've done the research on our prospect, we researched their company, and we've developed a personalized sequence for that individual um, all the way through, right? Now, what if you wanted to maybe fine tune some things about your offering, the value proposition, etc.? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at how we can sort of fine tune different aspects of our outreach. And so by going to settings, we're going to go to click the outreach tab. And in outreach, you'll see right away a few different things you can manipulate. One, here's your LinkedIn profile URL. This is what you're going to do to upload your own profile. So if there's any common ground, to be able to match that. We have our style guide, which will look at if you're using our Gmail integration or Outlook integration. This will look at recent cold emails that you've sent and create a style guide about how you write. Maybe you're a very professional writer. Maybe if you're in SMB, you're using more casual, down to earth language. We're going to be able to identify that with Strama without you doing that. So if you wanted to write it yourself, you're free to do that. Second, if you're using Gmail, we can pull that signature from your inbox. If you're using Outlook, you'd have to copy and paste the HTML formatted email signature that you have. And lastly, the big thing here is our sales playbook. Now, by default, Strama, we will create a sales playbook for you. What we're basically doing is researching your company, your service or offering, and sort of the different value propositions that you provide there. So, pretty high level, whatever's out there, we can pull and sort of make some best case guesses on how this works. What we've seen though is that not all of the information that you use to sell is on the public internet, right? So maybe you have battle cards, maybe you have competitive information, case studies, social proofs, etc. What you can do is you could actually add those things to the sales playbook. So whether you just want to edit what we already have or use something like ChatGPT or write it yourself. And the idea is as if you were just talking to, your BDR or if you're a BDR to an assistant that is helping you put this together. So what I like to include in my demo account, let's see, giving an idea of what the market is, the product, and then going into the different um, uh, personas that you plan on reaching out to by role. So whether it's CIOs, CTOs, CROs, you want to talk to all those different folks in a different way, right? And your value proposition of your product might be different for your chief financial officer versus your CTO, right? Or the CIO versus a line level manager or things like that. So we can define all of those things in this place. And again, however you want to do that, and it's something where you use ChatGPT, you can use me. We will find a better way to auto generate this in the future. So stay tuned. But one thing that I think our customers have found a lot of success with is providing social proofs. So you could provide those social proofs, those case studies right in here. Maybe it's a social proof or case study specific to a particular industry or use case. You can define those in here, and Stroma actually does a really good job of matching that to whoever you're reaching out to. So say you have three different case studies across three different industries, you're reaching out to someone in the the energy sector. If you have that energy case study, chances are Strom is going to find that and provide that in your sequence. So, really powerful tool here in the playbook. And once you've done that, you can save it, you can iterate on it, whatever you want to do. We go back into outreach and we can generate a new sequence that'll show in those sequences. So, yeah, hope that was helpful. Again, if you need help with anything, you know, feel free to reach out to us directly. We're happy to, provide guidance and or, potentially set that up for you. If you are having some issues with that. So thanks for watching. Feel free to give us any feedback on that. Anything's to improve. We're always, figuring out what works best here. It's kind of obviously a more novel approach to doing this. But yeah, thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.